Well, I've got really bad acid reflux, and we found out it was eating the enamel off the teeth. Then there was a situation with a hammer that I busted one of my front teeth. The dentist that I had at that time, it wasn't Dr. Bean, decided we probably need to go ahead and remove all of your uppers and get a denture plate up there. So I'm like, all right, well, let's do it. So we did that, but I had an issue because I've got a strong bite, always breaking the denture plate. Ended up going to Dr. Bean, and after a plate or two with him, he's like, listen, this is what we're gonna have to do in order to prevent you from breaking them. I'm like, all right. Well, I had it set up, basically financially and everything set up. Before I even left the office that day, we scheduled it, come in, had the procedure done, in and out one day. I didn't really care for the point of, using the glue every day, then removing the glue every day. And with these here, you treat them just like your regular teeth. You go in, you brush them, you rinse, use your water pick, and you just carry on about your day. And that's what I love about these. Prior to getting the bolt ends, I'd always be concerned about my plate coming loose, whether or not I had the glue on hand. My days are continuously never ending. And this right here allows me the freedom. I don't have to worry about having glue on hand, don't have to worry about what I'm gonna pack for lunch or anything of that nature. If I wanted to go out and eat steak, it's no problem whatsoever with these. It's almost like my original teeth back in there, and I'm just loving it. I love everyone in the office there. I mean, I just can't give them enough credit. I mean, everyone in there is friendly. They know that I'm a cut up, and they all go with it. Just some of the best people in the world. My kids, they thought it was pretty much like, Dad's got his original teeth back, I mean, they were like, dang, Dad, that looks good, My fiance now, she loves it. And I get nothing but great compliments. It's a different world. Their attention to detail has always just blown me away. I can't say enough wonderful things about them, the whole office. It was just, able to go out, eat what you want, when you want. Don't have to worry about, like I said, none of the glue, none of the, well, can I eat that? Is that gonna be too chewy? Do I need to cut it up? You can order whatever you want on the menu. Just carry on. It's fabulous.